my MetaTrader 4. This is my demo, business demo. For now, I don't have any indicators. You can see no folders. You see under indicators, I don't have anything. You can see.
Yes. Yes.
So basically, how we can possibly install an indicator to our MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, depending on whichever I want to use. We have to first make sure that we know where we're going to install the indicator, then compatibility of the indicators. Are they compatible with MT4 or MT5? So that's the first thing we have to know. Secondly, once now we're having a few indicators we want to install on our MT4. So basically, open your MT4, minimize it, go to your folder where your indicators are.
Okay.
Yes, for mine, actually, I'm gonna start with support and resistance, just like you see. I'm gonna right click, then I'm gonna make sure that I open with WinRAR. Opening with WinRAR, what we need to do, we are opening these indicators with WinRAR, meaning we have to read this same indicator under WinRAR. I don't know, it's even showing the WinRAR colors.
Yes.
It's because of the windows, because on your side, it doesn't show the WinRAR colors, but it's opening in WinRAR. So I'm gonna copy. What we have to do, you right click again, you copy files to clipboard. After copying files to clipboard, you minimize this page, you go back to your MT4, you go back to file, open file, data folder. Since we're using MT4, we look for M2L4, you open it. Under M2L4, since we are installing the indicators, we have to make sure that we click under indicators. Clicking under indicators, you're gonna be able to create a new folder.
Okay.
Yes, and you can name it, whichever name you want to name it. Like for me, I already have this.
Okay.
Once you've created a new folder, you open it. It's empty, right?
Yes.
So now I'm pasting. You paste whatever you've copied. After pasting, you minimize. You come back straight to your charts. So come to view. Navigator is where the indicators are supposed to be seen. This is Navigator.
Okay.
When you open Navigator, you're gonna refresh.
Okay.
Navigator doesn't want to refresh. Okay. View, Navigator. We're going to refresh, but if you cannot refresh, you're gonna close it and open it again. And reopen.
Okay.
Yes. So basically, I'm reopening my Excellence 4 to see. You see my bats is here, is refreshed. You see,
yes.
You see that support and demand is there.
Yes.
You cannot refresh if you don't have any option to refresh like this. You just close up your MT4, you reopen it again. Your folder where you pasted your indicators, will reflect under your indicators. So we do this.
Yes.
We're gonna do the same to the rest of the indicator. We minimize our MT4. I've put resistance. Now we're putting mod mega forex. What are we supposed to do here? Take me through.
Open with WinRAR.
Okay. Okay.
And then copy to clipboard.
Okay.
Minimize.
Okay.
After minimizing, then we go to open data file.
Okay.
MQL4.
Okay.
Indicators.
Okay.
Open indicators. Go to your folder that we've created.
Okay.
And then paste.
Okay. Then after this,
You minimize.
Okay.
And then you go to view.
Okay.
Navigator.
Okay.
And then refresh. Just right click anywhere and refresh.
Okay. So we have it.
We have it, yes.
Forex.
And then double click on that so that we can implement it.
Okay, we double click on each indicator so that we can implement them. They are all there.
Yes.
So we have the last one that we have to put.
Install, yes.
Yeah, it's ADM levels.
Yes, open with WinRAR.
Okay.
And then copy to clipboard.
Okay. All right.
Okay, just on there, just open one of the files that you have already opened because we have. I want to see if something will happen. No.
Under navigator.
No. Go to one of the files that we've already opened. Go down to the files. No. Get out of there. Get out of there. No. Go to the file at the bottom.
The file at the bottom.
Yes. Click any of those written base 2023. Yes. Click on that file. Let's paste.
Now I'm confused. Okay. Oh,
No, don't worry.
Open. You
Don't
had
worry.
it. We had minimized. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
And then close that completely.
All right.
And then go to file. View.
I see. Okay.
Navigator.
Okay.
Refresh.
Okay.
And then now we need to install it. Right click. Click OK.
Yeah.
There we go.
So meaning this is the way. This is our BTC. So this is how it is. I think I'll be posting this on my YouTube channel if you don't mind.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, because many people would be there struggling how to install indicators, custom indicators. So basically, this is what we wanted to do.
Can you try to change the time frames and see how it is giving the command?
Okay, H4 is still the same signal.
Okay.
H1, the same signal. 30 minutes, same signal. 15, same signal. You can see the mapping.
Okay.
5, the same signal. You can see the mapping. 1 minute.
Same signal.
Let me see. 1 minute is so small.
Yeah, so small. We need to have a bigger screen on this one. Yeah, we need to have a bigger screen. But I can see that all the time frame are agreeing on one concept, basically.
Weekly is a buy.
Oh.
Yes. You can see weekly.
Yes, you know why? You know why?
Yes.
It's just that we cannot analyze now, but already we can see a chalk and a boss.
Yeah, we can see a chalk and a
boss.
So we're just selling the retracement basically.
Yeah, selling the retracement. Yes. Trying to see how far it will go on that fair value gap.
Daily. And mapped yet on daily. But at least we know we shall be going through this indicator that's been making us money. Money. Yes. So basically, we have to just go, keep going through it so that you can keep studying it. But first, your analysis. After that, you apply your indicator.
Yes.
Then to be the best way to do. Yeah, you shouldn't stop doing your analysis. Let's keep doing ourselves as usual.
Definitely.
So is there anything we can do?
No, for now, I'm happy.
Yeah.
I will just try to play around with this tomorrow, perhaps Monday, and then yeah, around Wednesday we should have some results.
Yeah, exactly. So
sorry, is this still Bitcoin? Yo, I can see a nice
this is
double.
Euro USD.
Yes, you know, on Euro USD, I've seen that we already have a equal higher high or relative equal higher high. So
The market,
there will
yeah,
be a nice retracement here already.
yes, I'm seeing a sell according to my Euro USD. Let me see, did I do any setup? Oh, I was in a Zoom with some.
Yes, because already on 4 hour, we have a double, an M formation.
Okay, this is 1 hour. Ne?
Yes.
It's a chalk.
We have a chop. Yes.
Oh, this is a flip. This is not literally chalk. I would call this one a flip. What I will call a chalk, it will be literally call this one. This is the previous higher low.
Oh, okay.
So when the previous higher low gets taken out, this is the possible chalk. Don't you think so? According to the approach of the chalk and the flip, when we're marking a chalk, price has to take out the previous higher low, the previous swing low.
But that was a previous it is not even a previous higher low. That is in the middle. A previous higher low, it will be that weak. Not so.
It will be this.
No. Weak. The one below.
This one.
Yes. The one
Okay,
below.
we should have marked this one. This one. Oh, this one.
Yes, that is the previous higher low.
No, there is a higher low here. You see?
Okay.
So this should be the previous higher low. Even if you go to 30 minutes, you can see it. You see it. So it should be.
Yeah, on 30 minutes it will be visible, but on 1 hour it was a bit tricky.
Yes. So that's why I marked this, because I could see it on 1 hour. So this.
So the first level there, you're saying it is a flip.
Yeah, this is a
and then
supply. This is a supply, a demand to supply flip.
Okay.
Demand flipped into supply, then we were able to sell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can mark it as the supply, demand supply, like this supply flip.
Okay.
Yes. So people saw that the flip, entry were at the flip. After it flipped, on 15, it engineered some liquidity. You can see the trend line liquidity is relative equal high somewhere here. Then it a block above OB. Then people were able to sell with the confirmation. This was where the confirmation entry was. 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yes. So we've been bearish because prices are keeping on making lower lows. You can see couple of break of structure.
Yes.
You could see that we're going down. So basically, if we go to 4 hour, you know what we're targeting?
All that liquidity there, yeah.
And the internal range. There's this imbalance, actually liquidity void. You see the void?
Yes.
Yeah, we had only buyers participating all throughout. So we have to balance price, and then we will be targeting for this previous low, the old low. Even if you go to 4 hour, you can simply see Yeah, we are on 4 hour. So I need this hold low. This is a liquidity pool also. We have some sell side resting, sell side liquidity there. So just swing low. What I would say, we have an order block below, which I would mark this as my extreme target. Do you know why?
No.
Because of this fair value gap. You see the fair value gap?
Yes.
You see it?
Yes, I can.
And this should be the valid order block because it broke structure to the upside and it has liquidity above it. So this will be my block of extreme where I'll hope for price maybe to drop to before thinking of even buying ahead.
Yes.
So all these are levels of liquidity of which we shall be targeting. First of all, we're going to be targeting this trend line liquidity. It's all internal range liquidity. All this void, this is a hold low. We're going to target it again. And we tap our order block. We fill our IVG. We see if price will continue to buy. So what's your approach? Do you have a different approach? Maybe you're looking at. You take me through.
Unless if I can share something with you quickly.
Yes.
And then, yeah, so that I can take you through because I think we are more or less on the same level.
Okay. No. So I'm gonna stop recording right here because I'm posting this content on YouTube. I'm gonna make you a host.